Okay, I thought I'd do a short video to show you how to use Adobe Media Encoder to optimize your voice video, or maybe any other video as well. Uh, there are probably lots of different ways to do this. I'm going to show you one method that seemed to work fairly well for me. So I'm going to start off. I have Media Encoder opened. I'm going to go over to my little plus symbol here in the upper left corner to add a video to the queue. I'm going to find my original video, which, by the way, started out as 54 megabytes in size. So I'm going to click on that. And next thing you'll see, automatically a preset's been chosen. We're going to change this. There's lots to pick from here, but what we're going to do is just switch over to match source medium bitrate. And I'm going to make one other change and customize this preset. So the presets are pre-built settings, but I can go ahead and customize these just by clicking on the name of the preset. Brings up another dialog box, and then over here near the bottom right you'll see a video tab. We're going to do a couple things here. Scroll down a bit. I'm going to change the bitrate encoding to 2 passes, makes it a little better looking, and I'm going to change the target bitrate down to 0.7. Now the lower this number, the smaller the video, but the lower quality it's going to be. And in my case, this worked for me. You may want to have a slightly higher target bit rate, maybe of 1, but your file size will be a lot bigger. And you'll notice this before I tab out of this. Just take a look down at the bottom. You'll see currently the estimated file size is 35 megabytes, which is a nice drop from 54, but it's still pretty big. So as soon as I tab out of that window, you'll see that my estimated file size has dropped down to 9 megabytes. Okay. So I'm going to leave those settings as they are with that and click OK. Now, in order for me to actually generate the video, I have to click on the little play symbol, and that will basically start the process for me. Now, I've already gone ahead and done this, and what I've ended up with in my case, if I switch over to Finder, is I've created a couple ones just to do a couple quick tests, and they've both been around 10.5 megabytes in size. Your mileage may vary a bit there, but it's a significant drop from the original file size. The other thing I'll mention too is that you probably want to rename the video. So where it says output file, just click on this and give the file a new name. So I'm going to call this test 3, for example, and click save. And then basically as soon as I hit the play button, the encoder is going to do its work. You'll be notified when it's done, and then your file should be a whole lot smaller and easier to bring into your interactive PDF, or if you're planning to do one, your EPUB.